Hey guys, so excuse the noise. I'm filming on my phone today, as well as I'm driving the Jeep. First time in like 2 months. Finally finished the floor pans, and now it's time to get on to the next project. Now it's time to get on to the next project. What that'll be is still kind of a toss-up. I want to do some steering components for a project that's coming up, as well as maybe doing some 2x6 rock sliders. Don't know yet. We're going to see what's going to happen. So I'm taking that opportunity right now to, head over to the steel store. So we're going to go see what the bargain bin has to offer. I'm hoping maybe we can pick up some 2x6 for the rock sliders. That'd be fantastic. If not, I still like to poke around, just see what they have. You never know what ideas might pop up when you see what's available at the bargain bin. So that being said, we're heading to the steel mill. So I'm at Logan Steel in Torrington, Connecticut. It's one of, I believe, 2 Logan Steel locations in Connecticut. I'm not sure if there's more than that. I think this is the only one. But this is the smaller of the 2. The one that's closer to my house is in Meriden, Connecticut. It's a really good setup. It definitely has a lot more than this one. But like I said, I work not too far from here. So I just stop by every so often just to see what they have. Probably make some heavy-duty links with that thing. Jesus. Oh, maybe someday. They also carry aluminum and stainless, which is kind of cool. However, I'm not set up to do either or. Now that would be some heavy-duty rock slider. Alright, so it looks like we kind of got skunked today, at least for the bargain bin. Did get a price on some brand new, uncut 2x6 at 3/16 thick wall. It's going to be roughly $150. I got to price that out. It's still definitely cheaper than buying rock sliders full out, but once again, I have to do the labor and do the fabrication, so I'll have to mull that one over. I mean, I still have the rock sliders I have now, so those will last a little bit. And then, unfortunately, they had a run on DOM, so I was going to price out what it would cost to do some steering components. They're waiting on a stock to come in, so yeah, we should call back in a week, see what happens. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on my trip to the steel store. I hope you enjoyed it. I know not a lot of people have ever come to these before. I'm still relatively new and I'm learning my way around. The guys at the front desk are actually really cool. If you ask questions, they'll kind of guide you through it. So that's about it. Unfortunately, we're not walking out with anything today. Like I said, this was kind of like on the whim to stop by and check it out. So rock sliders and some steering suspension parts are gonna have to hold off. Springtime is coming up. They said they do get a run of material, so I'll have to check back in a few more weeks. With that being said, if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.